first things first, tell me a bit about WhiteOak. It sounds as if it's a foreign entity, but it is just coming together of fantastic individuals. Sure. Tell me more about.
Yeah, so, I think a lot of people do know WhiteOak was set up by Prashant Khemka in 2017 in his last assignment. Prashant was the CIO for both India and emerging markets at Goldman Sachs. And, at the peak of his career, he said, this is where I want to come back to India and really look at the investment landscape in India. And I think that's where the genesis or the birth of WhiteOak was. So the foreign part of it is interesting because we still 75% of the assets which we own actually are originated outside India, right? Like people talk about, show India to the world. We say, we are actually demonstrating that, right? We've been one of the largest foreign portfolio investors in India in the last 4.5 years since we've set up. So out of the 45,000 crores assets which we manage at WhiteOak right now, we've raised almost 32,000 crores from offshore investors, institutions, endowments. In fact, we were recently awarded as the best India fund by Lipper on 3-year rating, right? So there is a fair bit of overseas investors' investment in India which is managed by WhiteOak. But we've also got a very successful domestic franchise now, right? So we manage about 12 to 13,000 crores between our PMS and AIF products.
Sourced from Indian investors.
Sourced from Indian investors. And this is of course more the HNI, UHNI space, roughly about 8,000 investors between these two product categories. And of late, of course, we are a lot in the news because, we bought out the Yes Bank's asset management business and are in the process of launching our mutual fund offerings. So that's a little bit of pedigree. I mean, I joined last year in May. So, I remember when I joined, we celebrated our 100th employee in the month of, I think, June, July. And today we are more than 250 people. So we've grown quite exponentially.